Having trouble with the WhatsApp verification code on your iPhone running iOS 18? I know how frustrating that can be, but don't worry. In this in-depth video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix the issue quickly and easily. Let's dive in. Before doing anything else, make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Try airplane mode on and off. Make sure you have entered the correct number. Solution 1. Turn on the background app refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 2. Clear App Cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now try to resend the code. If it still doesn't work, then follow the next solutions. Solution 3. Reinstall WhatsApp app. Press and hold the app from the home screen. Then tap Remove app. After that, tap Delete app. Now go to App Store. Tap on search icon from the below. Type WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger. Now install the app again. Check your issue whether it's solved. Solution 4. Check iOS update. Open Settings. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. If you see Software Update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now, tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. I hope these solutions helped. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.